Hello, I saw your question here. You want to solve this system by graphing. You have two equations here. You need to come up with solutions for them, plot the points, and draw the lines. So the top equation I'm writing in green, 2x minus y equals 7. Since the coefficient with this one's 1, I decided to pick values for x. So I just chose 0 and 2. You need to pick relatively small numbers. So I put 0 in for x, and 2 times 0 minus y would equal 7. And so that part just drop off, and you have minus y equals 7. Multiply or divide each side by -1, so y is -7. And so one solution to this equation here, this top equation, is 0 and -7. Now another, I substitute in 2 for x. 2 times 2 minus y equals 7. That's going to be 4. Need to subtract 4 from each side. So I'd have minus y equal 3. And then you need to again multiply or divide by a -1. So that would give me -3 here. So 2, -3 would also be a solution to this equation. Now I'll switch to the bottom equation, 4x minus 2y equals 2. Just notice the coefficient of y is a little smaller than the coefficient of x, so I picked x here, and I picked the same value, 0 and 2. I like working with 0. So I put in 4 here. 4 times 0 minus 2y equals 2. So that part drops off. 2y equals 2. Divide both sides by -2. And so one answer is y equals -1. And so I put a -1 here. And I back up, I put in 2 for x. 4 times 2 minus 2y equals 2. That's 8. I need to subtract 8 from each side. That would leave me -2y. 2 minus 8 is -6. Divide both sides by -2, and I get 3 down here. And so the other solution I found for this equation is 2, 3. You could find more solutions, but 2's enough. So now I need to plot each of these over here and then try to figure out where they meet at. So I'll plot 0, -7. That's roughly here. I'll plot 2, -3. 2, -3 is roughly here. And so it looks like, one line should be there. Didn't do the best of jobs, and I'll do the other one in yellow. 0, -1 would be roughly here. And then 2, 3, 2, 3 is going to be over here. And so this one is going like that. So it's a little hard to tell in my picture where they're meeting at. The computer would do a nicer job, but it looks to me like they're meeting down here somewhere. Take back what I said a minute ago. These two lines, computer would do a nicer job, but these two lines they're parallel to each other. If you do, computer do a nice job plotting these. They're parallel. There's no solution to these parallel lines. It's a special case. They don't meet, and there's no solution. I hope that helps.